Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how to trade Forex on phone in 5 minutes. The first step is to download the trading app. This is an Android phone. I'm using Android phone, so I'll go to Play Store. Once I get to Play Store, you download MT4. Now, you may ask why MT4. I prefer MT4. I love MT4. I've been trading with it for a very long time. Some prefer MT5. Some prefer using the app from the broker. Any of them you want to use, you will use the same principle. Now, the MT4 has been downloaded. You open it. It's opening. You accept it. You accept the terms and conditions. Now, here we come to the MT4. By default, it comes with $100,000 fund in it by default. These are the quotes. Now remember, we want to trade in 5 minutes. Our next target is just to go to the chart. Here is the chart. This sign good is for the chart. So when you click on it, you are on the chart. This is Euro USD. By default, it comes with Euro USD 5 minutes. Now, you can any other pair. I prefer trading Euro USD. I'm in love with it. That's the only pair I trade as a trader. But you can choose to trade any pair you wish to. So to do that, you can come here. Look at where I'm circling. Now, as you can see there, when you click there, it will open to other pairs for you. As you can see, we have GBP USD, USD JPY, USD Canada, USD CHF, New Zealand USD. Any of these pairs, if you wish to trade, what do? Just tap on it. As you can see, I've tapped on New Zealand USD. It's still open in 5 minutes chart. So in my own trading pattern, I trade naked charts. So my first goal is to clear my chart of any indicator. This is what I do. You come to look at where I'm circling. Sorry. Look at where I'm circling. Sorry, don't know. Good. You can see where I've circled. You can see that. Now you click on it. Fine. It has opened. These are indicators on the charts. As you can see, indicator on NZD/USD 5 minutes. What I do is I click on the indicators. No, not clicking, sorry. You tap on it. Tap and hold it. It will open like this. You delete. Tap and hold. You delete. Now my chart is plain based on my trading pattern. The next thing I will do is to analyze my chart. Remember, I told you I love trading Euro USD. So I'm going back to Euro USD. I tap the dollar sign above. Back to Euro USD. That is where I am now. Now, before I trade, I need to see this chart in a wider view. What do? You place your phone on a landscape. To do that, click auto rotate on your phone, as you can see, then and keep your chart on a landscape. As you can see, it is on a landscape. We are seeing a wider view of it. Now, my trading pattern, I trade higher time frame. So to get the higher time frame, I trade, or to analyze the market, overall trend of the market, I tap on the screen, and there brings out the time frames. We have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Now what do? I go to the 1 month chart. It's loading. Now this is the 1 month chart. My first target is to determine the closest trend in the market. From this, I can see this is the first closest trend from my own analysis. From here to here, you can see from there to here, the first closest trend is a downward trend. I've taken note of that the market is downward. Then the next thing I will do is to determine my support and resistance. This is my first resistance here. This is my first resistance, as you can see. Then this is another support. This is a support. Now, these three things, please take note in my own trading pattern. The closest trend is down. Now, I trade where the force is. Since the trend is down, the market is telling me to trade downward. Look for opportunity on a place to trade downward. So after my analysis here, the next thing there is I will go to daily chart because that's what I trade. Once I'm in the daily chart, I change my phone to portrait. Now, good. And it is time to trade. Assuming I've done my analysis, this is time to trade. Where do you trade? Where do you enter your buy or sell? This is where you do it. Look at where I'm circling. Good. You can see there. Then you tap it. Once you tap it, you see it has given you a buy and sell button. Here is where you determine the risk you take in the market, the exposure you want to give to your pair. This is where you determine it. Are you trading 0.01, 0.0, whatever the lot size you want to trade? This is where you put it. This is where you put it. You can put any value you want there. Remember, ZD is 0.01. You can put 0.06. You can see. Remember, the higher the risk, the higher the value, the higher the risk. Anyway, all boils down to your capital. Now, as you finish analysis, it is a sell market for me. All I do is, this is where you click your sell. This is your sell button, and the other side is this is your buy button. So I'm ready to sell. What do? I click sell. Order is open. You click done. You can see we are already in the market, trading, waiting for the market to mature in my direction. Now, if the market matures in my direction, or if I find out that there is mistake, how do you close this trade? You go here. You see this particular point. You do what? You press it hard. Press it hard. And close the order. At the bottom here, you will see good. Close order with profit of, okay, the market is already in profit. What do? You tap. Order has been placed in queue, is done. And you have closed your market. Back to charts. Now, this is the simple way to trade Forex on a phone in 5 minutes. But I will still suggest if you want to make money from Forex is a very big time business. You must have a wider screen, such as a laptop or a very big tab or desktop for in-depth analysis of the market. Once you are done with that, you can come to the chart on phone to either exit or trade. Detailed analysis supposed to be done on a very wider screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you enjoy, subscribe, share, comment as we move on to the Forex trading strategy. Please check one of my videos and see my simple Forex trading strategy that has been giving me money over time. Thank you for watching.